What's up, guys? It's your girl Ricardo with the NFM, and I'm back with another video. And today is prank day. I know that it's been a while since the last time we did a prank, but since it's really gloomy outside, it's warm, but it's cloudy and wet because we had a thunderstorm last night and it's supposed to rain some more today. I decided that it's the perfect day for a prank. So we're going to do the blow dryer baby powder prank on Tavion. And as you can hear, I'm trying to keep my voice down and I'm hiding in a garage because Tiana's in the living room and the boys are upstairs playing Fortnite and Roblox, and nobody knows that I have this prank planned. So here in just a few minutes, I'm gonna go upstairs and I'm gonna get the blow dryer ready and fill it up with some baby powder, and I'll be calling Tavion into the bathroom and tell him that we need to wash his hair and condition it to get it ready for a haircut. And I also tell him that he needs to use the blow dryer to dry his hair a little bit, and in that moment is when we're gonna get a really good laugh. So you guys stay tuned, stay with me until the end. It's gonna be super funny. If this is your first time tuning in, make sure that you leave me a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more pranks and challenges to come. And I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, so I'm getting ready to fill up the blow dryer with baby powder. And I'm going to close my door here. I'm in my bathroom now. I'm still keeping my voice down so they can't hear me. I hope this is gonna go well, so I'm gonna go lock my door and get started. Alright, let's see. So I got the baby powder right here. To be honest, I don't even know how to do this. Y'all, don't judge. I never did this before, but I'm about to just pour it into here. Hopefully it won't all come out of the back. I hope that the blow dryer is still going to work. Tavy! Let's wash your hair real quick. Go a little bit closer now. On your Fortnite shirt.
That's how I supposed to do stuff.
No, wash it a couple times. You gotta blow dry it now? Right there. Hold it. Push the button. Up one time. The whole bathroom is full of powder.
It's in my eye.
It's in your eye? What happened?
Hey, look at Tavy.
What happened, Tavy? Oh man, what happened to Tavy?
Oh man.
Whoa, look at that right here. Tavy, I think you're gonna have to take a shower. Look, I don't know if you guys can see this, but look at this. I think I kind of pranked myself at the same time because it's everywhere. It's everywhere. I'm gonna have to clean the entire bathroom, y'all.
I saw it. It was white, so I was like, "There's something in there."
Well,
I already knew it.
but you still had it turned into your face.
I know, but I looked in there. Like when you had it like this, I looked in there. I was like, "What is it?" I was like, "Is that like dust or something?" Like, cause I thought I thought it was a prank.
Let me see
but
here.
I didn't know.
Look at your ear. Oh my God, look at that. I feel like I can't breathe. Oh man, this was funny. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's really everywhere. It even came all the way out of the bathroom.
So
I'm gonna have to clean the entire bathroom. There's footprints already. Oh my God, I didn't think it was gonna be that bad. You're gonna have to take a shower now.
No, I won't.
Yeah, you do. Tavy, it's even on your clothes.
I'm going straight to Fortnite.
You going straight where?
Fortnite.
Oh my God. No, we still have to rinse your hair out. Anyways, guys, that was it with our prank. Stay tuned for our next video and make sure that you're subscribed. Leave us a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. And for those of you who participated in the Guess Your Age challenge, we got that video uploaded later today. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.